Hello and welcome to 306090 production. Well, today I'm in South Mumbai and I'm going to show you my top 3 favorite cafes of South Mumbai. Now one of them is a known cafe, but the other two are like the hidden cafes, a little unknown cafes of South Mumbai. The reason why I'm showing you these cafes are because these cafes are known for its legacy. Now these cafes are at least 50 to 100-year-old cafes, and the thing about these cafes is people like us have made what these cafes are. And today I'm going to be eating at these cafes to show you the food of the cafe still reminds me of the taste. Every time you come to these cafes, the one thing that is very consistent is the taste. इनका जो टेस्ट है वो ऑलवेज सेम ही है और इतना अच्छा लगता है ये खाकर कि यू फील इट the best in you. So the first cafe that I'm going to show you now, I'm going to take you to is a cafe. ये जो cafe है 100 साल इन्होंने इस अप्रैल में 100 years celebrate किया है. The cafe started in the year 1919. Yes, और अब हम जाने वाले इस कैफ़े में. अननोन है, इतने लोगों को पता नहीं है. जो लोग यहाँ पे हैं उनको पता है. So for people traveling from different states or from different countries, you know where to come now. This cafe has been visited by top celebrities like Shah Rukh Khan, Subhash Ghai. It has been visited by Shakti Kapoor, Gulshan Grover, and trust me, a lot to name. So I am going to be entering this cafe, and this cafe is called the Cafe Excelsior. Let's go. So you see, it gives you a very vintage, it gives you a very legendary and a very iconic look. These cafes are the pride of Mumbai. These cafes are actually not only a pride of Mumbai but pride of India. And what a blessing for us to be here to eat the food from Cafe Excelsior. Yes, 100-year-old cafe. This was started in 1919. 2019 they celebrated 100 and we are here in 2020. So it's a 100-year-old cafe, and what we are going to eat now is the most legendary keema pav of Cafe Excelsior. What we've been told is this place has been visited by Shah Rukh Khan, Ritesh Deshmukh, Vivek Muktawala, Subhash Ghai.
शक्ति कपूर और इरफान खान शूटिंग हुआ इधर शूटिंग हुआ और हिमेश रेशमिया शूटिंग बहुत.
A lot of celebrities have come here and all eaten the food of Cafe Excelsior, and it's also one of the most iconic places in Mumbai. So let's just dive into the keema pav. This is the keema. If you see, it's a very buttery look, and they have a very different kind of a bread. So when you see a pav, see, it's a very different kind of a bread. You know, it typically is so spongy and so soft. This is, you know, more like the loaf. It's less a pav but more like a loaf, and काफ़ी soft और नरम सा है ये. So when I saw it, it looked very buttery. It is actually very buttery. It is not spicy at all. It gives you a very rich essence of a Parsi flavor which is in it. Wow. So we are here at the legendary Kayani & Co. Now this was founded in the year 1904, which is in Dobi Talao, which is here in Marine Lines at the south of Mumbai. Now this is a very iconic and a very legendary spot. I used to study here right next to this place, and the best part about this place is the food that they serve, from chai to khari biscuit to mawa cake to chicken puff to keema to pav, and a lot of varieties here at the Kayani & Co. So let's check what they have in store for us. Kayani & Co. This was founded in the year 1904 by Mr. Mehzaban, and the best part about this place is its food. What you're seeing here is the food has already arrived, and I'm going to dig into the food. Now about Kayani & Co. This is a legendary Irani Parsi place. Now the best part about this place is the look and the ambience of the place. And the best part also of this place, it's very iconic. It's a very legendary place. When you sit here, you feel rich and royal with the food and the price that is so very affordable for all of us. So let's check out and taste the food. I've tasted here innumerable number of times. The food is very good, but what they have in store for us is a very special chai, bun maska, which is the mawa cake, which is a special touch of the Irani Parsi mawa cake, and you also have the chicken puff. All of it priced very affordable. Let's just go. Let's just take a dig. The chai is very creamy, very creamy, and very fresh. When there's chai, there's always going to be the bun maska. You see? There's chai, there's always the bun maska that goes inside. It's not like any other bun maska. I think the bread is also made in-house. The butter is also made in-house. It goes so well with the chai. It's extremely yummy. And your perfect breakfast sorted at Kayani & Co. Well, I'm going to be tasting the chicken patties. It's a very creamy patties. It gives you a nice chicken punch taste. It's perfectly blended with the chicken and with the outer layer and covering. It's extremely very fresh. I think it's just baked out and it's come. It gives you a very lychee touch. Sweet, baked well. Weird, but you know, I'm going to try. Yeah. I'm going to try it with the chai. Cake and Irani chai, best combination. So now we are here at Cafe Metro, which is again at Dobi Talab, and the one thing that you would want to eat from Cafe Metro, in fact there are two things that I have always liked at Cafe Metro. This is an 80-year-old restaurant cafe. You get lunch, you get breakfast, but the best thing about this place is the chicken Russian kebab and also the mutton samosa, which is a small mutton samosa, is what you know that can really fill your day up, and this is Cafe Metro. So the best part about this place, when we used to finish our college, was we used to come here and we used to eat the Russian kebab, which is the chicken Russian kebab, and the chicken, and obviously the mutton samosa. The chicken Russian kebab is what I'm going to break open now. So there you see. It's very gummy, fresh, nice, and it has the chicken, shredded chicken, cheese, onion. It gives you an egg layer, and you're going to have a great time when you eat this at the Cafe Metro. Now, Cafe Metro is at the Dobi Talao, and even this is extremely very affordable for anyone. This is only 35 rupees, and this, your mutton samosa, is just 40 rupees for 2 pieces. You can have a great meal. The mutton samosa. Crispy from the outside, keema in the inside. A mix of tangy, gives you a very refreshing flavor. Very much recommended with the chutney. Just taking me back to my old college days. Hope you've liked this video. Also, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Daily Hunt, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel 306090 Production. And if you have a favorite cafe in South Mumbai, please drop them in the comment section. We would like to hear from you your favorite cafes in Mumbai or your favorite cafes in South Mumbai, and yes, we will cover them for you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and spread the love, spread the food. Wishing you greetings of the season. Keep eating and keep spreading that love. Mwah.